I'll walk you through several quick fixes to get your device working properly again. First things first, let's rule out the simplest potential cause. Sometimes a faulty USB cable or USB port can cause the connection to keep dropping. Check your USB cable for any visible damage. Try using a different cable to see if the issue persists. Also, make sure the USB port on both your Samsung phone and on your computer or charger is clean and free of debris. Sometimes a quick restart can solve a lot of problems. Let's reboot both your Samsung phone and the device you're trying to connect it to. Restart your Samsung phone by holding the power button and selecting restart. After that, restart your PC, laptop, or charger to refresh the connection. One common cause of this issue can be USB debugging being enabled on your Samsung device. While this feature is useful for developers, it can sometimes cause issues when connecting to another device. To disable USB debugging, go to Settings, scroll down to About Phone, then tap on build number 7 times to unlock developer options. Once developer options are unlocked, go to Settings again and select developer options and turn off USB debugging. On your PC or laptop, make sure you have the latest USB drivers for your Samsung phone. An outdated driver can be causing connection issues. And that's it. You should now have a solution for your USB connector issue.